Nasa 18 nila wala. Kami binibay. Ayan na. May tulak. May tulak naman.
Guys, hanap nyo ba yung bola na genuine, non-slip at saka wear resistant? Tingnan nyo na lang yan sa yellow basket natin guys. Makikita nyo dyan yung Passion, genuine leather, non-slip and wear resistant sports molten basketball. At saka may freebies pa guys. Anong pang hinintay natin? Check out nyo na.